Good noon, Trailblazers. Welcome to another episode of LunChat, your online magazine program that highlights the 7-point agenda coined as dynamic that is also aligned with the strategic directional areas of USTP. I'm your host, PJ de la Peña of the Strategic Communication Office of the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. May pagpaniudto sa atong mga ka-LunChat all over the USTP system from Oroqueta, Panaon, Alubihid, Cagayan de Oro, Balubal, Villanueva, and Claveria and Hasaan. And hope everyone is safe and okay diya sa inyong tagsa-tagsa ka lugar. And reminder lang ha sa atong mga ka-LunChat, ting paniudto mo karon kung nagdaon mo, likayan nato kauban nato mga kaopisina nga mga unta nga dugul kayo, so kinanglan naagitay distansya, no, bisan sa pagpangaon kay di man ta kauban sa balay, di na to kakumpiyansaan labi na panahon sa COVID-19, no, kay high risk kita anang panahona when we eat, we remove our mask, no, di malikayan nga na magsigig storya, so be safe everyone. Today, introduce nato sa atong program ang ato ang mystery box, no, muna ato ang himik nato sa ato ang episode karon. It will give us an idea of our topic for today's episode. So ato ang i-check nato. Sulod sa ato ang mystery box. Inside our mystery box is no other than CDO's pastillas de leche. Ayan. Dapat nakatilaw na gid mo ani kung naamo diri sa Cagayan de Oro. And syempre, dili siya kompleto kung dili nato siya matilawan. Mag-taste test na mga ka-LunChat sa CDO's pastillas de leche. You have to taste it yourself to really know ang lasa sa pastillas de leche. Very unique and dami kayo malasahan yun mo ang sagol niya ng milk, no, sa pastillas de leche. Siyempre, in today's episode, we will talk about technology transfer and adoption between the ACADEME and the industry. And with that, let me introduce our guest today. Representing the industry, she is the Chief Operating Officer of Bestfriend Goodies. It's no other than Ma'am Nenita Tan. Good afternoon and good noon, ma'am. Welcome to LunChat.
Maayong paniudto, Sir PJ. Maayong paniudto sa tanan.
Welcome, ma'am, sa LunChat, and it's good to have you in our program. Ma'am, how did this partnership, with USTP came about? I know you are from the industry, dugay-dugay na gid mo aning food industry. How did it materialize?
Actually, if I may recall, it started 2 years ago. It was the initiative of Oro Chamber where they invited me to join an education program. So with that program, I was able to participate workshop, and in that workshop, it was a collaboration with the ACADEME in which, of course, nahimo na akong partner si USTP. Together with us, naapod si DOST, DTI, and that's all. So with that education program, my good Sir PJ, we were able to discuss the operation of the company, kung asa mi na ay na-encounter bitaw ng mga challenges. Now, in the production, we are manufacturing the bestseller pastillas de leche in Cagayan de Oro. This is intended for the residents and incoming guests here in Northern Mindanao. Now, with that, my good sir, every time na convention, since that's really my forte, no? Joining a convention, offering all those sweets and goodies as a pasalubong treat, no, sa atong mga guests. So every time na convention, makita dyan na ako nga sleepless nights for us. It's because amo yung abson unta kay there's really a big demand.
Production.
Yeah, sa production, there's really a big demand, and we were able to find out that kana manggod siya, it's because manual pa manggod mi tanan adto, sir, no? We are not yet mechanized. So, murabag double kayong effort. Sleepless nights ka to prepare the product. At the same time, pag maabot na pud ka dito sa convention area, kung asa ang venue, pag-abot nimo dito dali ra kayo mahurot, so kuan ba kanang it's a positive problem. So
Tedious. Yes,
oo.
yes.
So nahitabo, after knowing that mo na ang ato mga challenges, here comes this you need to, I think we need to mechanize na, we need to level up kay sayang sa kayang opportunity, no, that there is a market pero dili lang nato kaya makater ang demand.
Mapas.
So, that's how, di mapas. So that's how it started nga naka-join ni Ani and then we were one of the recipients of this program. Since nakita lagi nato na very challenge kaya ang atong production, kailangan we really need to improve in terms of efficiency. So that's why, and at the same time, we also need to innovate because from the very, very start, I really wanted to come up a pastillas de leche wherein the marshmallow inside, there must be a marshmallow inside.
Wow.
Kay, mo-complement yun siya, sir. Si pastillas de leche with marshmallow, the taste really is perfect. So, it's so difficult to look for an equipment magyud no nga kailangan pag isulod na nimo ang atong pastillas nga mixture kunya i-process siya, pag isulod na nimo pud didto ang marshmallow, maapil pud siya og kanang madugmok pud siya apil ba, it will be incorporated. So mawala na si marshmallow. You cannot anymore see, though you can still taste it, but
pero wala na siya, nasabay na siya dito sa mixture.
Oo, dili na siya tibuok. In fact, we have some customers coming from different places. Every time na mangita sila sa isa ka store, they really would say that katong akong gusto katong na ay marshmallow nga pastillas because
may palaman nga marshmallow sa sulod nga pastillas.
Yeah. And then it's not only me manufacturing pastillas here in Cagayan de Oro. Daghan pud no. So that's one thing that is very unique with our pastillas de leche from Bestfriend to this. So with that, ako ginang na-verbalize, ako ginang na-express during our discussion that I wanted to have a machine. I wanted to look for a machine nga makatabang sa ako in terms of efficiency, and then that could also help me innovate kasi that's one of the innovations that we have in our company, that we were able to come up pastillas that there's marshmallow inside. Muna siya, sir.
Wow, that's great, ma'am. That's great to know nga nag-start lang siya sa idea, sa need sa company to improve the efficiency. Diha ninyo na visualize kung sa inyong kinahanglan and what machine ang dapat ipagama. Ma'am Nenita, tell us more, a brief background of Bestfriend Goodies. Aside from pastillas lang ba ang inyong mga products, or you have other products as well, and medyo sa una na dugay na ni nga company and Bestfriend Goodies, unsa ba gid ma'am ang inyong lain pa mga products para matagan tong background sila sa inyong company?
Okay, thank you so much for that question, Sir PJ. It's a good question because with this, I can share with you how we started the journey of our company, no. Actually, at the very, very start, no, we're really into we started as kanang sa mga sweets, kanang sa mga cakes and pastries. However, kuan man jud kay ko kanang advocate kay ko kanang mga bitong mga local products bitaw. Every time when I visit different places, I used to travel because I worked before in a multinational company, so ga-travel jud ko from one place to another place. So then every time ato ko mga bagong lugar, mangita jud ko delicacy. So muna mangita ko mga sweets or something na I could try kay syempre kanang that's kuan man gyud ang ato ang kuan every time ato kag lain nga lugar mo na imong pangitaon. Pero all of a sudden wala lang to, mga 3 to 4 months lang to, nag-COVID na siya, so nawala tanan. But anyway, sige lang kay there's always life even if there's COVID, napa magyahapon, no? So nahitabo, sir, because of my passion or my kuan nga gusto jud ko kanang something like to delight the customers in Cagayan de Oro. I didn't stop looking for a product. So katong we started with mga sweets, no, we have the cheese sticks, and then together ako ning sir ang pastillas de leche og butterscotch. So ang nahitabo sir, murag ang atong specialty as for Bestfriend goodies, we're really into pasalubong treats. So tourism based you guys siya sir nga company. But unfortunately sir, na during the COVID, there was a travel ban, so medyo nawala siya for a while. Nawala din siya for a while. However, hinay-hinay na baya sad karon, no, gabalik na ta. And then syempre during the COVID, nagdetour pod ko. We have our own we supply also, or we manufacture also the essential products like our breads, and then naapod tay another one, the ready to eat, which later on, maybe I can segue to that later.
And of course, joining us also today is Engineer Kenneth Magsayo, the project leader from the Design and Engineering Center. Welcome to Engineer Magsayo, sir. Maayong udto.
Maayong udto, sir, and maayong udto sa tanan.
Engineer Magsayo, sir, si Ma'am Nenita, yung mentioned kagadi na how this partnership began and the need for a machine na maka-improve sa ilang efficiency and effectivity sa ilang production. Asa nga part sa processor ni sulod si USTP, ang ato ang Engineering Design Center, and unsay mga role diya sa ato mga experts diya sa university?
Actually, sir, the ideation was in Seda Hotel doon sa Centrio. So, actually, kato nga time is di uban lang ko ato ni Sir Alex Morial na daw industry. Then, sa ilang problems, we have to find solution. Okay, so dagan po niya to, then dagan possible industry. Then ako, nabutang din ko dito, na-assign ko sa table na si Ma'am Kenneth. Then more to, that time, ipaminawa na mo unsa ilang problems, unsa ilang needs. So, dato nag-start, unsa ilang kailangan, then somehow naka-come out with sketch na possible nga itsura sa machine and also the mechanism, pero raw lang nga concept. So wala pa yung specification sa materials, pure lang ang mechanism. Then mo na ito nga makita na mo nga working siya, then possible ang doable ang yung machine. So that's the time na mo na ito gi-propose na rin namo sa DOST.
Oo. Sir, kini nga machine, ang taon sa tawag ani nga machine, sir? Wind extruder nga machine.
Ayan ngalan din ani, sir, is twin screw extruder machine with filling injector. Actually, sir, that twin extruder machine is generic din siya. So, pag sketch na mo, sketch na kung design, then doable siya, pwede siya sa pastillas and sa other na delicacies. So, ang purpose niya ani is mag-extrude siya sa yung base nga material. For example, ang pastillas, dayon mechanism nga mo insert sa imong filling, mo itong itawag nga filling injector. Okay? So, for our industry, ang filling niya is the marshmallow. Pero actually, ang machine is for generic purposes. For example, pwede siya sa kanang suman na naay palaman ang sulod or anything the same alike lang with other embodiments.
Sir, wala mo naglisod sa pag-design ani, sir? Or nabay prototype na daan ang inyohang nakita na ingon sama ani? Or first time gininyo nga namugna?
First time na mo na-create ang machine, sir. So, wala din siya sa lain. So, that's why R&D, that's why yung naglisod kay research and development, dili man nimo ma-overnight or makuha nimo successful diretso. So dagan pa kaagian. So naani mga modification sa machine, then possible solution. So dira na din gana among design center. So mag-brainstorming mi unsay possible buhaton para ma-achieve gyud among goal. So aside sa pandemic, nato ni mga issue sa, for example, sa materials nga available. Nana, sir.
Oo, daghan apil gina sa mga challenges labi na first time ninyo na
Yes,
kani nga
sir.
machine nga na design, no. Sir, daghang makakita niining partnership between the academe and the industry. Capable na ba ato ang center, sir? I know this is a milestone, okay? This is one of the first partnership between academe and industry nga kanina project turnover sa twin extruder machine between the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. So, Bestfriend goodies. Kita diha, sir, sa ato ang center. Kaya na. Kung naay mo duol diha, mga yung tabang, magpa-help sila sa ilahang production, magpa-design og machine. Capable na ta diha, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually, capable and doing lang kita sa Design Engineering Center.
We're happy, sir, nga this is a milestone for USTP nga partnership. Magbalik ta kang Ma'am Nenita. Ma'am, kumusta ang machine so far? There was a turnover program that we had before. Kumusta ang impact sa machine sa inyong production? Has it made a difference? Bagi kalahian, has it improved the efficiency po?
Well, speaking about improvement in terms of efficiency, it will become double, man good sir. Kay first, we only have one nozzle or a single extruder machine, and now since it's already a twin extruder machine, so times 2 na gid siya. Nako na gid kay siya capacity. Ang ato na lang i-pray karon nga mobalik ang ato ang panahon wherein nanatay mga conventions, we can invite guests, visitors here in our city. Mo na lang ginatong pangayoon kay naman tay produkto, kaya na nato in terms of capacity. So ang demand na lang ato ang pangayoon sa to ang sa to ang creator kay murag lisod jud kayo pa karon ang tourism industry.
Correct. Tama, ma'am. That's a good point. Engineer Magsayo, sir, nagsugod ta with the designing of the machine. Na turnover na nato ang machine. Tama lang ba diha ang role nato sa USTP, sir, or padayon nato nga ginatan-aw gyapon ang machine nga na turnover na sa atong industry partner?
Actually, sir, we have 1 year monitoring and pilot testing. So, after any turnover, then mag-propose na sad ni para sa second phase wherein dira na ang repair and maintenance. So, if napay other mga concerns, ato pang ma-address.
Apil na diya, sir, ang pag-monitoring, sir. Murag apil pagyapon siya sa research and development niya kung say feedback ni industry paggamit sa machine and mga data, no, mga monitoring para mahibawan how to enhance pagud ang paggamit sa machine kay di man ginato na ma-perfect in one time, no, ang pag-design labi nag mga gamit. So apil gyapon siya. It's good to know nga apil siya sa monitoring. Ma'am Nenita, ma'am, would you recommend to other entrepreneurs to have similar partnerships like this? Labi na sila nagtanaw, no? Usapon siya sa mga breakthroughs sab nato between the academe and the industry.
Well, surely, no? Leading the Food Processors Association of Northern Mindanao, I would highly recommend, no, to all my fellow producers and to all my fellow processors to connect and join the venture with any academe together with the UST, DTI, because this is a very big opportunity. This could really go a long way for us, especially as entrepreneurs. Dako kay siyang tabang kay medyo although there are challenges along the way, no? However, with a concerted effort, we can go hand in hand and we can go a long way because we're there. Nasi academe, nasi industry partners, na ang atong UST DTI nga makatabang jud. So murag dili lisod ang atong journey because the entrepreneurial journey is really not it's not a walk in the park. Medyo nagi na siya mga challenges. Yeah, nagi na siya mga challenges pero if you're talaga kanang if you focus on what you're doing, and then if you have a goal, no, to scale up, to elevate your company, of course, wala ginasi mong mind, no, nga muundang ka. Quitting is not in your vocabulary as an entrepreneur. Magpadayon jud ka despite sa mga challenges, bisag sa pangaklase nga problema. Once you're a determined entrepreneur, padayon gihapon ka. So that's one thing that I could share to my fellow entrepreneurs, to my fellow processor, that just keep on going, just do it without any, without complaining, kay makaabot na jud ka diha. And as part of my testimony, no, that even during this COVID, our company survived. Kumbaga, for me, there's always life, even during COVID and after COVID. I know that God will always find a way for you. Basta I let you give up. That's that's one thing that I could really share to my fellow processors.
That's a heartwarming, no, na testimony, ma'am. But this is not, atong lakbitan lang briefly, ma'am, no, this is not the only partnership that you had with USTP. You also had a partnership gihapon. Tell us more, ma'am. Briefly lang, ma'am. Itong product po nato nga we're working on.
Yeah. I'm also proud, no, that as what I've said, that there's always life even during COVID. Since our company pivoted, murag nag-detour me during COVID period, especially during the onset, kay our product is not essential products during the onset, kay there's no more guests, no more conventions in Cagayan de Oro, no more activities na maka drive in or guests. So what we did, we pivoted to bread production. So muna I was given the opportunity to be as the first techno licensee adopter of enhanced Nutriban. This is pani siya kanang a technology from the USTP. Now, after several engagement and with our continuous partnership with DepEd, I saw the light, no, na naaday ko'y dako na opportunity na madugang sa akong line of business, which is the ready-to-eat. Now, with my ready-to-eat products, because of my partnership with Northern Mindanao Food Innovation Center together with USTP, I was able to adopt not only 1, 2, 3, but 4 products of ready-to-eat. And now, we are in the stage of producing already. Ang amo na lang ginahulat, this is not an ordinary project. This is a very, very ambitious project wherein we invested so much, not only resources but time, no? And I'm very grateful, I'm very grateful that USTP, with the team of Engineer Bronson, so muna nga my engagement with USTP, my partnership with USTP, it's really for me it's a novelty item, because this is the first ACADEME where I engage dili lang bitaw kaisa, sunod-sunod din siya. A very remarkable partnership. I even told President Butch that he was one of the members in our adjacent sa among table. In fact, nag-ana lagi siya nga, murag bago pa man to, ma'am, na nag-discuss ta dito sa Seda Hotel, and now looking at what you have achieved, murag dili na pud siya kuan. It's already a milestone for both of us, for Bestfriend Goodies and for USTP as well.
That's good to know, ma'am. That's good to know, no? Mas strengthen pagid in the future partnerships pa with Bestfriend Goodies and other partners, no, in the Engineer Magsayo, sir, unsay pwedeng mahimo sa ato ang Design and Engineering Center, sir. Na po yung mga basig mga interesado. Unsay pwede niyo mahimo pa matabang sa ila, sir?
Actually, sir, since fabrication man siya, custom built yun, so mo touch po mi og food industry and also sa machinery and sa energy. For example, kanang biogas or ng solar or renewable energy. So fabrication center man siya, sir, and since may ACADEME involved, so unlimited possibilities ang atong mahimo. Then actually nakita yung mga machines na pwede po nato magamit sa atong fabrication.
Sa Fab Lab nato, fabrication lab sa USTP. Well, thank you, Ma'am Nenita Tan, the Chief Operating Officer for Bestfriend Goodies, and Engineer Kenneth Magsayo from the Design and Engineering Center sa USTP for sharing your time here at LunChat. Indeed, the industry and ACADEME can work hand in hand and together achieve great results. This is one of the thrusts of the dynamic agenda under letter M. Maintain vibrant research, strengthen extension services, and maximize utilization of their outputs that will contribute to economic development. Thank you, Ma'am Nenita Tan and Engineer Magsayo, sir.
Thank you so much also, Sir PJ, for giving me this opportunity to share my journey for Bestfriend Goodies.
So hopefully, again, we are excited for future partnerships between the industry and the ACADEME and more partners. That's why we encourage and we are so happy with this milestone na nahitabo with Bestfriend Goodies and USTP. I am PJ de la Peña. See you again next time, Trailblazers, in LunChat of USTP, the Laguna Views.